Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this phone, and then I got another video coming up as well. This is a single phone I picked up, if I remember right, off of eBay from a seller I've used quite a bit now. Here it is. It's a Motorola on Boost Mobile. There we go. It's a... Well, there's the model number right there, it says. I think it works if I remember. I didn't even really look at the listing when I seen it. There's like a little indent on the front display. Some marks on the LCD, as you can tell. It's I410. There we go. There it is. It seems to work just fine. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.